Xmas is you.
The Neon Vibes Dollar Tree clay mask.
You see this one? No, let's speak this one.
Wow, that's a good feel. Okay, I'm good. This is it. How come mine is so perfect and yours is a mess?
Don't judge me. Look, alright. Is mine a mess versus hers? Get close to the camera. That's to see you. Don't cheat.
Rose, you know mine is perfect.
We're going to Disney World. Ooh.
What is that, the golden ticket?
Oh, yeah.
No, I'll look it up.
We're going to Disney World. Ooh. It's a golden ticket, but it's pink because men wear pink, or men love pink.
Hey, so this is Vlogmas week 2, and I am trying to get the upstairs of my parents' house packed. I'm feeling super duper sore and tired from yesterday. I packed almost all of their downstairs with them, obviously. Well, not obvious, but with them. I just showered, but I haven't done my hair or anything, so I look awful. And I feel like I need to go out and get a coffee. I've had a couple toasted coconut K-cups that I love, but they're just not doing it for me. So I think I'm gonna go get some espresso and possibly go get the actual Apple version of this and then return this one because although it's cute, it does not work. Do you want to go to the store? I need espresso.
Yeah.
I need Starbucks. And I want to get that thing for my computer.
I swear I have the most fashionable girlfriend. That's crazy as hell.
Hey guys, so we are currently on our way to Starbucks because honestly, I don't think it's gonna help, but my back is sore. My back is sore. My back is so sore that I need coffee. Thank you. Thanks. So I'm having a McDonald's coffee on the rooftop of a Target parking lot, if you can see that. And I just want to finish my coffee before I get out and do anything because I have so much time to waste. So I'm gonna dig into the Tao of Pooh. You know what? This is the best book for me to be reading right now because it's about just taking one step towards whatever you want to achieve. Even though the things that I feel like I still need to overcome are so small. Like just being afraid to start my day, just being afraid to go in Target right now. I'm taking my time on my coffee, not because I'm enjoying the moment, which I am, but I'm unable to fully enjoy the moment because I'm so nervous about going into Target. And I feel like even going into Target, I'm going to still be nervous. Once I'm in there, I'm fine. I can enjoy myself, wander around, but I'll still be nervous because I'll be nervous about the fact that I have to drive somewhere else after. I'll be nervous about having to find parking. I'll be nervous about what's going on with Rose. I'll be nervous about whatever I decide to do next. Because it's unknown. I have the whole day. I can choose anything to do. I can sit in my car and edit the whole day if I want. But that would be easy. That would be comfortable because I'm very comfortable right now. So what can I do that will push me one step further so that next time I'm not that nervous? So the Starbucks line, right now it's super sad, but the line is 10 cars deep. So I think we're gonna drive to Target, which will have coffee. There's a Best Buy by there, so if Target doesn't have what I need for my computer, that will have it. And then also they have groceries, so we can get everything we need.
Okay, let's go.
Oh, but we're already like halfway through the line now, so should we just stay?
Make a little money and they act strange. All these girls really want one thing. I like them just like my coffee. All of these girls got a Starbucks. Yeah.
It's Christmassy, holiday-ish, not really. Says it's cold in Minnesota. Now this got a little jingle in it. So Starbucks line is still horrendous, but we're gonna go inside and then we're gonna go to Best Buy and maybe Target. So we decided to skip Target because what if we get there and then it's not open, the Starbucks, then I'll die. So
Then we'll literally have to leave.
and then go back. So this is what we're doing. The coffee. They never have what I want, but it's fine. Oh my god, it's so good.
Is it though? It's not even sweet.
No, it really is. Try this one. I don't like sweet, but this is like a good amount of sweet. It's sweet.
These are those. Come on.
So we just went into Best Buy and we got this little stupid thing that you can plug a USB into. USB-C to regular USB. But then I'll have to plug a USB card reader into that in order to do it. So why didn't I just do the card reader one? I don't know, in the moment it felt wrong. Ugh.
I can't keep up with all this.
Stop talking in my vlog. I'm kidding. Rose, look at this. I didn't get a coffee. And that's after I decided not to get 2 Starbucks coffees. Guess I'll be making one. I feel like Trisha Paytas right now because I'm sitting in my car, eating, talking to a camera. And there was only one gentleman on this rooftop besides me. He looks slightly suspect. And he was like right in my eyesight before I started filming and like eating. But I was on my phone. And then he went and hid around the corner. I didn't know he was there, but then I seen him peek his head out and just look. I'm assuming he thinks I'm gonna try to walk down to Target, which would require me to go around that corner. I don't want to assume he's a bad person, but it's just, that's what the behavior looks like. So I decided to make a move and go towards Target. I'm trying to find where it is in this parking garage, so that's interesting. Sorry if it's dark. Ooh, I found it. Okay, this makes so much more sense. The roof.
I want to talk to you.
Not now, later.
No, now.
You never wanna pick up. You never wanna do the things that are inconvenient.
This is something that Rose asked for. He didn't ask me to get him this, but he said we should get this. I've never used one of these before, but I've seen it. I know what it is. But it looks really nice. It's really heavy. It's gorgeous. Look at this. He's gonna love this so much. It's so fancy. I was kind of feeling bad. Like, I felt like maybe I should buy this from somewhere other than Target. Like, but honestly, this looks like really good quality. I'm so excited to show him this. Then I got him socks. And then I also got him these. These are made out of like the same material as like a gym shorts, like that mesh, but like even lighter. They just seem so breathable and I think he's gonna love them. So I got him 2 pairs. People are probably like, what the heck? She's showing boxers to a camera. And then I got him these slides because he loves Crocs. So I thought like the fact that they don't have like a back, he's gonna really like that. And then these are genuine leather, so they should last. And also like when he does travel like north again, like these will be so good for the winter and still easy. They feel really good, like really good quality. And yeah, I really like them, but I think hopefully he will really like them. All right, let's get out. Let's live life. Let's do something. Okay, so I left Marshall's and now I'm just kind of walking around the street in this area and seeing what else there is around here. I never go Bath & Body Works, but I think I'm gonna go in.
Red lipstick always looks good when you try to fake a smile. Glitter dress makes me feel cute when I'm trying not to cry. I'll take a picture in my bedroom, then post it online. Tag location as LA. I'm living my best life. Can't win this game, pretty or insane. Can't win, still play pretty or nah. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,500 friends online, then why do I find myself all alone tonight? Honesty never looks good when you try to wear a lie. No makeup won't make me cute when I'm trying not to cry. The internet adores me, always standing by my side. They just think I'm in LA, so nobody has stopped by. Can't win this game, pretty much insane. Can't win, still play pretty much nah. I got 1,500 friends online, and they all double tap over my life. 1,500 friends online.
It is currently 1:30. I don't know how much longer Rose is going to be because either he's going to be done around 2 o'clock or 4 o'clock. They gave us a 4 to 6 hour window. So I'm not really sure. Part of me just wants to find like a more private place to park in this parking garage and just edit my vlog because I don't know how it's going to be when he gets home. So I don't know how well I'm doing. I think I fell asleep for over an hour in the car in the middle of editing. And I'm just so tired that like this is really unenjoyable right now. I don't want to edit, but I know I have to keep pushing through.
This is amazing. This is a fancier kind, but amazing. I was gonna buy one for like $6, but amazing.
So pretty much after packing for a while, we ended up playing the VR and I made milkshakes and we had coffee and it's already 11 and now I'm really tired and I basically just wanna go to bed. That's it for today because I just don't feel like filming anymore.
It's 11.
Yes, so I will check back in tomorrow. We'll see what happens. I have to fly to New York tomorrow because I work the next day. All right, so anyways, you guys don't care. So I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.
All I really want for Christmas is you. I want your heart, your love, your trust. Fiend for your kiss, your hug, your touch. Give you my heart.